How to delete a page in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to delete a page in Microsoft Word, especially those annoying blank pages that just won't go away. Let's get started. So I'm gonna use two methods. For the first method, the using Find and Replace to delete a blank page. First, click anywhere on the blank page you want to delete. Then, press Ctrl G on your keyboard. This opens the Find and Replace window with the Go To tab selected. In the page number field, type /page and press Enter. Now click Close. With the entire page selected, just press Delete on your keyboard. And just like that, the blank page will be deleted. For the method 2, the quick backspace trick. Just press backspace on your keyboard while on the blank page. This often deletes any hidden paragraphs, marks, or page breaks, causing the extra page. And there you go, 2 quick ways to delete a page in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.